Welcome to Dorman Products Saturn Ignition Lock installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy difficulty repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 20 to 30 minutes to complete the repair. Tech note: for display purposes, we have removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable. First, remove ignition lock bezel by gently prying it out using a plastic trim removal tool or similar tool. Then, remove column bottom shroud mounting screws and remove upper and lower shrouds. Turn ignition to accessory position. Next, press lock retaining tab through hole on side of lock housing using an Allen key or similar tool. While holding in Allen key, rotate ignition cylinder to accessory position. Lastly, remove Allen key and pull lock cylinder out from housing. To complete the installation, perform the previous instructions in reverse.